Hello, today I will show you how to optimize and improve your PC performance using AI. Open your web browser. Open www.ionic.com on your browser. Navigate to Speed Up tab and tick Advanced System Care Free on drop-down menu. Tick on Free Download. Wait until you download to finish. Now, go to Downloaded folder and install Advanced System Care. Right-click and run as administrator. Here, I recommend to customized or unchecked to recommendations. Continue with your options, then proceed to the installation. Advanced System Care can make a personalized plan for you to scan and clear tons of junk files, unnecessary logs, and caches, leftovers from the third-party tools, browsers, including your Windows 10 and 11 system. It always learns from your optimization habits and PC performance status. Find out your PC problems and errors, then fix them all. A daily click brings you a fresh PC. Also, clean up junk files in popular applications including newly added Dropbox, Steam, Java, Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, Spotify, and MS OneDrive. Just click Scan and wait for the results. After scanned, you can fix directly the error found. There's some fix for Pro version, but it's okay. Additional important function. 1. Speed up your computer. Turbo Boost. Stop unnecessary programs to release RAM and boost your PC. Startup Optimizer. You can disable unnecessary startup items to boot your PC faster. Protect. This is available for Pro version only. If you want this, you can go to Pro version. 2. Software Updater. Can update your application automatically. 3. Action Center. Other than paid or Pro version, you can still use some free functionality. eTop Easy Desktop. To categorize your application. eTop PDF free one-stop solution for PDF editing, converting, and any other task. Next, Dual Safe Password Manager, a secure, simple but free way to manage password, essential for your digital life. Next, this is very important, malware protection. Malware Fight to protect your PC against various malware. Next, disk optimization. Smart Defrag optimized disk for higher performance. And Game Booster, increase your FPS for faster and smoother gaming experience. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.